What's up, guys? Emmanuel here with another unboxing video. Today in the garage, you see right there, I have a brand new Honda HRN216VKA. This specific model is the HRN216VKA self-prepare. If you guys looking for, I'm also gonna link that in the description so you guys can get more information on the specific model right here. It's the HRN216VKA. Beautiful packaging, black, white on the side. On top, they got the whole black everywhere with the Honda logo in the red. On the other side, they got a white. I love the packaging. As you see right there, they got the HRN216VKA with the smart drive system right there. It's my first ever, and I can't wait to see what we have in here. Let's check it out, boy. I love this packaging. I'm really not gonna get rid of it. I'm just gonna keep it in my garage and throw all my stuff in it. And keep in mind, guys, this product comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. So you gotta take the registration card, fill it up, and mail that into Honda, or maybe go on the website and also register that so you can take advantage of the manufacturer warranty. And so let's go ahead and take the piece of cardboard right there, as you see, throw it away so we have access to the product and take it out. Let's see. So this is the bag that you hang on the back of the mold. People use that, some people don't use that, some people just like to mold straight up. I see that. I honestly never get to mold before. But it's a beautiful bag. It got like the Honda name on it. Honda name in white right there, as you can see. It's pretty, man. I like it. Honda everywhere. So let's go ahead and put that to the side and also see if we could get the machine out of the thing. Whoa, it's pretty heavy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it slow because you never know if anything losing in the box that's gonna drop on you, it's gonna hurt you. So you gotta just go one at a time. Set one side on the floor and then grab the other side. You do it safe, you know what I mean? You don't want to do it in a hurry and then get yourself hurt for no reason. So I'm just gonna store it the box like I said and see what happens. So this is the owner manual including the oil sample, the Honda 10W30 gasoline engine oil. Yeah, I think the entire oil have to go in the engine. This is the 12-ounce bottle. I would suggest that you hold on to the container after you dump the entire oil in the engine. Hold on to the container so if you're about to do your first oil change, you don't have to, go through the owner menu again. You know the exact oil number you're gonna go purchase. And I would also recommend that you just get your oil from whatever brand. It don't matter. It don't have to be the Honda name. That's totally up to you. But the cheaper ways to go and make sure that the oil you're getting from Walmart or Amazon, it says 10W30 gasoline engine. All right. That's what I would recommend. I do a lot of oil change on my cars and all that. I know a lot about oil, so trust me. So pretty much that's what it is. This is the piece that you use to clip on the bag that go behind the mower. Honestly, I don't know much about how to assemble that yet. Like I said, this is my first time on something like this, so I hope you guys understand that. I'm definitely gonna skip that part because I don't want to make the video super long. So I went ahead and skipped the bagging process because like I said, it was pretty hard to clip that bag on for the first time, you got to go through the owner menu. So that's the reason why I have to skip that part. So I hope you guys understand that. In the owner menu, you got to look there in order to be able to do it. So here you see the smart drive control right there. Smart drive, which is really, really good. I like the smart drive. That's the blade control right there. Pull and push. You push and you pull at the same time, the blade control, in order to let the system go. So here you see they have that little tag, say add oil before starting the engine or something like that. And you see the gas cap, the oil cap right there. And right on top there, you're gonna see, say, GCV170 with the Honda badge right there. And underneath there, you see a Honda badge with the HRN. It's really, really nice. Red on top, black on the bottom, the Honda on the bag right there. It's beautiful. I mean, this is one of the things I really, really enjoy. I'm gonna enjoy that this coming summer. I'm proud that I get to put my money into something like this to keep it in my garage and have all the fun. Right there, that's the exhaust, a muffin, how do you call that? It's beautiful. I mean, I recommend this. I don't know much about the machine, but I know a lot about Honda product. So I'll recommend any Honda product to anyone if you're on the market looking for something just like this. So right there on the side, you see the handle right there is to, the green handle is to control if you want to bag or you just want to mold straight. And also the fuel vial right there to open and close the fuel tank. And right there is also to adjust the height if you want to cut your grass low or high, which is really cool. And as you see, they got one on the back and one on the front. You got a black tire, black wheel, how do we call that? Really nice. I mean, you got a big fuel tank also. So let me open that and check it out real quick. I'm pretty sure they didn't put any gas in it. Let me smell that. Nah, they're not gonna ship any product with gas in it. So you have to turn it, so many times to hear that click sign, um, in order to make sure that it's closed pretty good. But I mean, overall, the product is really nice looking, as you can see right there. It might not look nice in the video, but just from looking at it yourself, it's beautiful. I mean, let's take a look underneath and see what we got there. As you see, the black finishing right there with the twin blade. And make sure you put on the gloves, because this blade is super sharp. As you see, I'm touching it without glove. I don't recommend you doing something like that. You might end up cutting yourself, guys. Be careful. And I mean, good quality is the bottom is pretty good. The quality is, the build quality is really, really good. I love any Honda product, man. Because when you see this product, especially if you have to use it from home, just using it home, it's gonna last with you for a long time. A lot of people use this to do commercial and stuff like that, but this just gonna be one or two time, every 2 weeks or something. So it's gonna last for the year, really lifetime year. Let's see, for a long time. All right, so it's something you want to put your money into, especially the Honda product. You want to put your money into. It's not gonna let you down. I enjoy it. So I hope you guys like that and the unboxing video. So I mean, there's nothing much to say about this product right now. So as you see right here, it's pretty easy to store it. And I can store it next to my pressure washer. It's very easy to store and it's not going to take a lot of space at all. I can store it next to my pressure washer with no problem at all. So I don't have a lot of room in my garage. So storage won't be the problem with these things. So what we're gonna do here is I already add the oil in it. I'm going to top it up with gas so we can give a little bit of sound test to see how quick this thing start and what it sound like. So just stick around, guys. I'm gonna put gas in it and then we hear what it sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and double check the oil level, even though I already top over oil, but you also want to make sure you double check your oil, make sure it's good before you first start your engine. One is good, you should be good to go. So now I'm going to store it at gas and then start up the engine, and that's it. Pretty good. So the blade control allows the system to keep running. So in order for the system to keep running, you got to keep holding on to the blade control. So when you release that, it stops. So in order to start it, you have to pull the blade control in order to start the engine, pretty much. So just one blade, that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. This is all I have for you. If you did, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe now.